How you going, folks? It's Mark Wightley here, and first of all, let me welcome you to 2025. We have some big things coming up this year, and also I want to say Merry Christmas. I hope you had a Merry Christmas. I hope Santa was good to you, and I hope you had a Happy New Year as well. Now, just yesterday, I got back into work, and when I got back, I was inundated with requests for the program that we recently created and launched just at the end of December, which was the Tube EcoSystem. Myself, my daughter Nakia, and my brother-in-law Scott, we put together a course that teaches you how to build an audience, get a subscriber base, get a following, build an email list, and generate an income from YouTube without actually needing to show your face, which is really, really cool and suits a lot of people. Now, the results we've already gotten from that and from us doing it and me doing it with my coaching students has been overwhelmingly good. And what I wanted to do is, because of the inundated emails and messages and all sorts of things that I've gotten while I was away for the Christmas period, people requesting that they wanted to see if they could still get access to it at that reduced price. Now, we did say it was going to end, and we did end that, but what I've decided to do, because I'm such a nice guy, I guess, is I've decided to help those people out, and I want to give you that same opportunity. So what we're going to do, just for a few more days, we are going to keep it open, right? So you do need to be quick. It is going to be open, and it is only a one-time investment of $197. So what we're going to be doing once that price ends, all right, this is your last chance to get in, we will be either one of two things. We'll be increasing the price, okay, or we're going to be keeping the price but removing certain aspects, and especially removing the bonuses like that one-on-one coaching session with myself, removing the tracking sheets and all the extra bonuses that we've added in that you can get right now. So right now you do have that opportunity to get access right straight away to the Tube EcoSystem and start to build your audience. Because the whole reason this all came up was I got coaching students, I had people that had joined certain programs that I recommended, and they were asking, how do you promote something like that? How do you even do it? And I would say to them, well, why don't you email or put a video up or contact your followers and your current audiences? And every single one of them said they don't have an audience. They don't know how to build an audience. They just don't have one. So I went ahead and thought, well, how's the easiest way for people to build an audience when they don't want to put themselves out there? They don't have any experience, because without an audience, you can't really promote stuff. You can't really sell stuff. And just buying email subscribers from solo ads and sending them to an opt-in page and expecting them to buy anything of any great value is pretty much just a hopeless way to do it. So you really need to build an audience. So the best way to do it was, I thought, YouTube. Now, I have been able to generate a lot of money, build a big email list from YouTube for well over 8, 9, 10 years now. I have been doing YouTube and it works like a charm. But with the introduction of AI, anyone can do it, right? It makes it super easy. You don't need to create scripts, it's done for you. You don't need to create the videos, it's already done for you, right? It's all built in with the AI systems that we use. And we're going to show you how to do that. So what I thought right now is I will whip over to my computer, and I'm just going to show you once again, just inside the members area, so you can see what it's all about. And that way you'll be able to get access. So on this page as well, you will see a button, all right? That button will take you to basically our sales page, where you can actually learn a little bit more about it, learn what all the modules are about. You can see some proof and some testimonials. You can see all the good stuff over there. But let me just pop over to my computer real quick and just show you inside the members area again, just to recatch you up on what it is that you're potentially going to miss out on. So if you haven't taken action, do it. It's not going to be this price ever again. So go ahead and check it out. So let me just go show you what it's inside. And once you've seen that, go ahead, grab it while you still can. All right, that's it for me. Can't wait to see you see some great results. Okay, so before I go in and show you inside the actual members area, I just want to show you a couple of comments that we had from people that are in the Tube EcoSystem right now. So as you can see here, from one of our students, it says, as usual, the Tube EcoSystem is stellar, enjoying every part of this course, Mark. Now, let me show you another one. So you can see here, I'm really critical of courses. This is top drawer. best you have ever done. And it is pretty much one of the best we have ever done. Now there's lots more, but I want to get straight onto it and show you inside the members area here, just to recap you and go back over it, because you may not have had the chance to see in the members area. So here on the homepage, this is my daughter Nakia, that's obviously me, and there is my brother-in-law Scott Forrest as well. So all of us have been doing this method for a long time. I myself has been personally running YouTube channels for around about 10 years, and I actually show proof of that as well, which you're going to see on the actual sales video, which once again, when you're ready to click the button, it's below this video and you can go and pick it up. So once again, remember, because of the amount of people that kind of missed out because they were away during the Christmas break, we did have and decided to give you another opportunity to get access to it for that one-time offer of $197, which is the cheapest it's ever going to be, and that way you can get access to absolutely everything. Right now, inside you're going to have everything is specific, very detailed. All right, we do not leave anything out. There are 5 modules, and in every single module you're going to see a very easy to follow menu. All right, so very easy to follow menu. There's obviously a video for every single part of this. There's additional instructions here, any sort of tools or anything that we tell you to get, tracking sheets, monetization, all that sort of stuff is going to be below the videos. All right, you're going to have checklists for absolutely every single module as well, to make sure that you can stay on track and keep everything in order. So absolutely tons of training here. It's very step by step. Now it's not just, hey, this is what I would do. You literally get me to see myself, Nakia and Scott all do it step by step. I start a channel from scratch right through to we delivering content as well, and this is going to allow you to build that email list, sell products directly from YouTube, and also eventually you'll be able to get monetized as well on YouTube. The main thing is to build that audience, build that following, build that email list, so you can then sell anything you like to those people forever. It is the #1 way to do it. Okay, so every single module, like I said, each module is very specific. Okay, every single module. Okay, module 3, or here you actually see me literally create all the videos, the scripting, how we do it all, checklists for everything. All right, you'll even see how I do product-based reviews. We have a special prompts that will just create you the review scripts. Absolutely everything is in here as well. How you actually do additional promotions to that particular email list you're going to build. Absolutely everything is covered in here. All right, so I just really wanted just a quick video just to let you know that you do have that opportunity to get in again. All right, but once this goes away, obviously we'll probably, I don't know, 3 maybe 4 days we'll keep it open for. And once that all closes down, we are either going to remove the bonuses and keep the price, or we're going to leave everything as it is and just increase the price as we intended. We're going to go to $497, so you are going to save a ton of cash right now. All right, so I'll end this video here. You need to click that button below. Once you click that, it's going to take you to the actual sales page where you can see a little bit more detail of what's in every single module. You'll see some income proof. You'll see some other proof from other of my students that I've actually coached through this process, and you're going to see a whole lot more detail about the actual system and why we feel it's probably one of the easiest systems for you to do. All right, so that's it from me. Go ahead, click go below. Can't wait to see you do some really good things in 2025 and actually see some fantastic results. And the first place to start is building your audience and build that email list the right way, which is doing it through the YouTube platform. All right, so that's it from me. Go ahead, click the button, and we'll see you inside the members area. All right, ciao.